Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody enjoyed their weekend. Hope you spent some time with your loved one, family, friends. But as you can see, man, this market is back green. It's coming on down. It was bullish today, but looking at my watch list, stocks are, like I said, it started off good, but coming on down. We don't know how low it's gonna come, but we're gonna see. We're gonna dollar cost average on in. Gonna do the same list I did from like last week. Like I said, you just got to ride the market up. My main thing is to get those nice monthly and weekly paying dividend stocks, those nice companies, especially just ride it on up. But it looked like the market might be coming down though, but we're gonna see. I think the job numbers or something came out. I read something today, didn't get all into it. I didn't have time to read everything on it, but I'll get back to you on it when something happens. But now, man, we're just gonna get these dividends. Like I said, growth stocks cool, man, but you got to sell growth stocks to make money. One thing about dividend stocks, you get the dividends without having to sell anything. You can hold on and maintain your shares. You know, you can always scalp some, take the profit and leave the remaining shares for the dividend. But people that serious about cash flow, most people don't even sell their shares. They invest in some good companies and it be that. Like I said, it's a lot of REITs and BDCs and monthly and weekly paying ETF still at a buy, even though the market is a little up than what it was last week, but it looks like it might be coming back down, and we're definitely gonna take advantage of that dip. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right, let's get to it, man. I'm gonna give y'all one right now. Go ahead and buy it. We'll get you some OXLC, some CRF, and CLM. I was going to start off with those three. Those are still up. Got to get them in another portfolio. I think OXLC got down to, it was like 457 a day last time I looked. So you can put it in at that price. CRF was like 668. And CLM was like 697, right under the $7 mark. So you go ahead and pick up some of that. OXLC pays 9 cents a share a month. CRF is like 11.8 cents. And CLM like 12.2 or 12.8. All right, let's go ahead and get to it, man. We're gonna go with HRZ and Horizon Technology. This pays 11 cents a share a month. Gonna ride this on up. Let's go back past the $3 mark. Well, not three, I mean the $10 mark. Definitely gonna take advantage of this at the 9 and under. All right, QYLD. It's a buy at 17 and under. Hoping this pull on back. So I'm gonna do my $3 a day thing today. Hoping the market come on back down. Hope I can catch QYLD under $16. QYLD is paying like 17 cents a share a month right now. RYLD trading in the $14 range. You're getting like 14.5 cents a share a month. OXSQ shot up but came back down. It's now above like the $2.50 range. Go in at 252. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm at like 261. I'm about to go in and check. See what my average cost is now. I'm at 260. So once it hit that 260 plus range, I'm not gonna bother with it. We're gonna go OPI. OXSQ paid 3.5 cents a share too, y'all. OPI, it's gonna be a swing trade. I'm creeping on up, taking advantage of this 40 and under mark. It's gonna be a swing trade when I'm gonna get up out of. So I'm not gonna enter again. Go USOY. Options on oil. Pays got to go to dollars. Pays a good monthly dividend. Ticker RC, Ready Capital. 452 is at today. Taking advantage of this dip too. Pays a nice juicy quarterly dividend. GOGL, Marine Dry Bulk Shipping Company. This definitely a buy at the $8 and under mark. It's going to be a nice swing trade here. You got to look at that trade value, and this moves quick. 1.9 million trades a day. We're going to go S-Bulk, another Marine Dry Shipping Company, 1462. This will buy at the 15 and under mark. I hope it comes back down below around the 14 and under so I can load up again. USOI. Pays out monthly. Options on crude oil. They should go back above about the $63 mark when things go back good. Go Metafast. $5 worth of that. Gotta lower that average cost. ABR Arbor Realty. Another nice dividend payer. Another REIT pays out quarterly. Everybody tends to move fast too. Fiat, we good today. ULTY pays out weekly. Things coming on down. Get $2 worth, dollar cost average on in. Reinvested dividends. AGNC, 12 cents a share a month. All right, nigga said pay 12 cents a share a month. Gonna ride this on up. Definitely a buy at 920 and under. It's gonna go back above the $10 range. ARR, Armor Residential REIT, 24 cents a share a month. This a buy at 19 and under. Definitely gonna ride this back up. Another monthly payer. XYLD, the brother QYLD and RYLD. Those three you want to get: XYLD, QYLD, and RYLD. They all in different sectors. Trying to get $10 a day worth of this. I want to bring my average cost down. I'm at $39.86. I want to recoup some of this anyway. SDIV, another Global X dividend paying fund, pays out monthly. I want this back below that $20 mark. Right, really in the 19-ish. I want to start getting $10 a day of that. ORC went on the run, got up to 744 today. Pulling on back. That's 12 cents a share a month also. We'll go PFLT. Is what you want. This cash flow, man. 1016 is that. Pays 10 cents a share a month. I got my uncle right now, man. He's trying to retire. He was about to retire, but when this tariff thing happened and his stock portfolio sunk, he cannot retire now. Got a bunch of growth stocks in it. I told him, man, if you can hold on, I said, man, you need to just continue to work. GSBD going with this 34 cents a share quarterly, was 40, but they reduced it. Might hike it back. But I told him, man, if you could just hold on, being that he got those growth stocks, if he invested in a bunch of dividend payers, some high yielders, some REITs or something, he could have retired. But being that those growth stocks down, I told him, man, I'll try to hold out, man. If you can work at least to 2027, I mean, to get the real maximum when this market really go bullish, like really in a bull run, and them numbers really go up, then I pull it out and I put it into a dividend stock, a monthly or weekly payer, so you can have your cash flow coming in to live off. But I told him I would not cash in that, man. You just gonna have to ride it out. Like everybody else, you're not the only one. That's why that cash flow is important. See, one thing about growth stocks, they for growth. Once it grow and you sell it, you got to generate it some kind of way. You got to start a business with it. You got to do something to have some kind of cash flow. Buy some real estate, or the best thing is to buy some stocks. Like I said, get you some REITs, BDCs, or some good paying ETF. Pays out monthly. Stock market so sweet now. You got stuff that pay out weekly. So that's why I go into the market now. I physically don't buy any more real estate. I just play the market. All right, QQQY pays out weekly. YMAG and YMAX also does. I know I was talking during the moment, but they pay out weekly too. This they do options on the QQQ. We're gonna go IWMY options on the Russell 2000. I say this one you want to double up and buy at these prices, the lower that average cost. So when these go up, you buying at $23.48. When it go up to $25.26, you'll be getting that big dividend at the price of $23.47. That you just brought today. QDTE. One thing about the monthly dividend, weekly dividend payers, everybody gonna be coming for those. 31.49. Get $10 worth of these at these prices, because these about to go back up. She's at $40.99. I'm at $47.54. That's $7 off a share. That's why I'm going to stop playing, going to double up. Right now I'm gonna use some margin. I'd rather use their money than use mine. One thing about a dividend on margin, man, all your money go back to the cash balance, so it pays it back by itself. Now I'm gonna go back to Kraft Foods. I like it below that $29 range. 52-week low is $27.25, high $38.72, 5.43% yield. It's considered to be a safe stock. Some consider this a buy and hold. I read once in Warren Buffett, his portfolio, this was his highest paid dividend stock after he sold Pfizer. He used to stay between the 3.5% to 5% range, or maybe 6%. All right, let's go check our traps. I know it's gonna be some of them REITs like HPPs and stuff I need to go get. So okay, NewTek 1 is down again. $5 worth of that. Well, I'm at on my average cost. Need to bring that down. Probably gonna be one I'm gonna get out of. It's a nice stock though. Nice dividend yield, and it give you a little bit of growth with it. HPP, here we go. Where we at today? 217. I need to lower my average cost in this. This is one you can stay out of unless you want to swing trade. Does pay a dividend. 2.17. 3 shares. I'm at 554. So I say need to come down in that. OPI got that one. Comcast is a nice dividend player in buy range. Where am I at? I'm at $36.99, which is not bad. Comcast got a 52-week high of 45.31, low 31.44. Dividend yield is this one you could buy for dividend 3.66%. PE ratio 8.3. It's undervalued right now. This one I'm definitely gonna swing trade. $10 worth at this price. Bring that cost on down, run and double up. You gotta be a little aggressive at these prices while it's down. Alright, pets. I did get a notification. I brought some of this today. It's at 344. I'm swing trading this at the 4 and over mark. Gotta buy it and sell it, man. These were good stocks coming back in the 2022, 2021 range, man. This whole market got beat down since COVID. So I know which route I want to go down as far as trading. I'm going to stick to it. I know about some cash flow stocks that you could make a little price appreciation on. All right, buying dollars, Nike. Definitely got to get this. Also one I'm going to pull out of. I want to get away from the apparel sector. I want to get out of that, and also the food. BDN, Brandywine, $4. Nice dividend REIT. All these going to benefit from interest rate cuts. Just got to buy them and hold them, but just get that good dividend while you are there. BGS Foods is getting whooped. It's got a 10.7% dividend yield. Dividend yield 11.24%. 52-week high 1172 with a low of 545. Negative 2.13 PE ratio. $5 worth of this. Come down in this. Alright. Lionel Basel should have like a 9% dividend yield now. Where we at? Yep, 9.02 PE ratio. 18.38, 52-week high, 107.02, about a $50 a share upside, low $51.11. I think I'm at like $70-something at my price. That's why I'm about to got to lower the average cost, man. But that dividend is worth it. GLPI, Getty, Gogo Ocean, we got that. USOI, GSBD, OARK. I'm about to bring my cost down in that one too. And with AMDY is when I want to come down in. TSLY, we got ULTY, YMAG, Misty. I want some more of that too. I want that below the one around the $20 range though. So NVDY 2.29% off. Got to go get that. Cause Nvidia is down today. It's around about the 107 mark. It's when you want to buy this stuff, when it's at that discount. Wendy's still below $13. Some Wendy's, bring that average cost on down. This portfolio, nice dividend yielder. GOOY options on Google. Nice monthly payer also. 12.14. Add a little piece onto that. All right, back down here. Get some SCHG. Got this on the dollar day recurring. 26.21 I got a dollar recurring investment on this every day. SCHD and SCHG. That's something you just buy and don't look at. PYPY down 1.19%. Bring down that average cost. Got USOY, TOPT, the top 20 companies in America. 2364, 2352. Got to get some of this. Hope it go back below the $22 range. SVOL, 27 cents a share a month. Some more of that. All right, y'all, and that's about everything. Got QDT, XDTEs. Man, let's look at some YBit Bitcoin. $2 worth of that. That's a nice monthly yield also. All right, y'all. Enjoy y'all day, man. Stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.